Welcome F5S students. Today we are going to discuss about differential equation f dy is equal to x raised to m. That is type 2. Particular integral is equal to 1 upon f d x raised to m. Expand 1 upon f d is according powers of d and operate on x raised to m. Here are some results of expansion. 1 upon 1 plus d is equal to 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube minus plus d raised to 4 minus dash dash dash. Second, 1 upon 1 minus d, 1 plus d square plus d cube plus d raised to 4 dash dash dash. Equation 3. Suppose 1 upon 1 plus d raised to m is equal to 1 plus d raised to minus n using binomial expansion is equal to 1 minus nd plus n into n plus 1 upon 2 factorial d square minus dash dash dash. Example, solve d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to x. Given differential equation is d square minus 5d plus 6. d dx is capital D. Therefore here d square minus 5d plus 6, we take outside y outside the bracket is equal to x. Suppose this is equation 1. The auxiliary equation is d square minus 5d plus 6 is equal to 0, means f d is equal to 0. That is the auxiliary equation. The factors of this equation, therefore d minus 2 into d minus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore d is equal to 2, 3 are roots of auxiliary equations. Hence complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square minus 5d plus 6 into x. Is equal to 1 by 6 1 upon 1 minus d 5d minus d square upon 6. We take outside 6 on the take outside the bracket 6 x 1 upon 6 1 minus 5d minus d square upon 6 inverse. By previous results we use here the results into x. 1 minus d is equal to 1 plus d minus d square, like this. The results are 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus d raised to 4. Suppose this is d, then for 1 minus d raised to minus 1, 1 plus 5d minus d square upon 6 plus 5d minus d square upon, here the minus sign, therefore all terms are positive. 1 plus 5d plus d square upon 6 plus 5d minus 5d square upon 6 bracket square plus dash 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 x is equal to 1 upon 6 1 plus 5d by 6 plus dash 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 outside the bracket x. One upon 6, here x plus 5 by 6 derivative of x is 1. Hence general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x plus x by 6 plus 5 upon 36. solve differential equation d square plus 2d plus 3y is equal to x minus 2x square. Solution. Given differential equation in bracket d square plus 2d plus 3y is equal to x minus 2x square. The auxiliary equation is d square plus 2d plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the factors are here the print mistake. Therefore, d is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2 are the roots of auxiliary equation. Hence, complementary function is equal to here alpha plus I beta e raised to minus alpha x, that is e raised to minus 1, c1 cos beta x, that is cos 2 root 2x, plus c2 sin beta x, that is c2 sin root 2x. Now particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 3 x minus 2x square. Is equal to 1 by 3, 1 plus, we take outside 3, therefore we get 1 plus 2d upon d square upon 3. We put this in the numerator using law of indices. 1 plus 2d upon 3 plus d square upon 3 bracket raised to inverse minus 1 x minus 2x x square. 1 by 3 in bracket 1 minus in bracket 2d by 3 plus d square by 3 plus 2d by 3 plus d square by 3 bracket square minus dash dash dash. Here the power of x square is 2 times. Therefore, derivative of 2 times is 1. Therefore, don't use this term. Is equal to 1 by 3 in square bracket 1 minus 2d by 3 minus d square by 3 plus 4d square by 9 x minus twice x square. Here we use the middle term only. Therefore, first term 4d square upon 9 is equal to, because second derivative is 4. 1 by 3, 1 minus 2d by 3 plus d square by 9 plus dash 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 x minus twice x square. 1 by 3 x minus twice x square minus 2d by 3 x minus twice x square by x square plus d square by 9 x minus twice x square. Is equal to 1 by 3 in bracket in next bracket x minus twice x square minus 2 by 3 in bracket 1 minus 4x plus 1 by 9 into minus 4 bracket complete is equal to 1 by 3 minus 10 by 9 plus 11 by x by 3 minus twice x square. Hence general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to e raised to minus x c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus 1 by 3 minus 10 upon 9 plus 11x by 3 minus twice x square. So many examples. Next type, dear students, proposition. Type third, if FD square is a polynomial on D square, with constant coefficient and f of minus a square is not equal to 0, then 1 upon fd square cos ax plus b is equal to cos ax plus b upon f of minus a square. Second, 1 upon fd square sin ax plus b is equal to sin ax plus b upon f of minus a square. We have derivative d dx of cos ax plus b is minus sin ax plus b, and derivative of ax plus b, here derivative of b is 0, derivative of ax is a, therefore minus a sin ax plus b. Second derivative of cos ax plus b is equal to derivative of this minus a, derivative of sin is cos ax plus b, again derivative of ax plus b is a, here minus a square cos ax plus b. Third derivative of cos ax plus b is equal to minus a square, derivative of cos ax plus b is minus sin ax plus b, again derivative of ax plus b is a. D raised to 4 cos ax plus b is equal to minus a square in bracket, again derivative of sin x is cos ax plus b, and derivative of x plus b is a into a minus a square, therefore here minus a square a square 2 times, therefore by law of indices is equal to minus a square bracket square cos ax plus b. D raised to 5 cos ax plus b is equal to minus in bracket minus a square bracket square minus a sin ax plus b. D raised to 6 cos ax plus b is equal to minus a square bracket square. Derivative of sin x is cos ax plus b, derivative of a is again a square, therefore here minus a square is equal to minus a square bracket square cos of ax plus b. In general, d raised to 2 raised to r is equal to cos of ax plus b is equal to minus a square raised to r cos ax plus b. Now fd square is a polynomial in d square with constant coefficient. It is then follows from the above that fd square cos ax plus b is equal to f of minus a square cos ax plus b. We use here, therefore cos of ax plus b is equal to f of minus a square 1 upon fd square cos ax plus b. We put this on left hand side in the denominator, therefore 1 upon fd square cos ax plus b is equal to cos ax plus b upon f of minus a square. Here the condition f of minus square is not equal to 0. Similarly, we can prove that 1 upon fd square sin ax plus b is equal to sin ax plus b f of minus a square, since f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Okay, we stop here.